Udivlani. There are over 1,000 new AI tools out there, but only a few are truly worth your time. How's it? Today, I'll show you my top 10. All completely free, all tested, all amazing. Ulibka. These tools help you write, design, automate, and even build your business faster than ever. How's it? We'll go through them one by one. From ChatGPT for creativity, to Gamma for presentations, to Pika Labs for video generation. Vidanavlaus. Each one saves you hours, boosts your output, and costs nothing. How's it? Stick till the end, because I'll reveal 2 hidden gems most people still don't know about. Ulibka. Whether you're a creator, marketer, or entrepreneur, these tools will change your workflow in 2025.